Medux is an AI media toolkit with a wide range of creative and production capabilities, including digital human video, avatar generation, and audio-driven rendering. In this workflow, Codex will call Medux through MCP to turn a source video and an audio track into a synchronized digital human video. Let's make Codex drive a talking avatar with Medux using MCP end-to-end. We start with two local files, the avatar video and the cloned voice audio. Codex reads the request, understands the assets, and plans the Medux workflow. First, it checks the project file so it knows exactly what it can use. Then it connects to Medux through MCP without switching tools or writing a separate script. Codex creates upload URLs and sends the MP4 and WAV to Medux. If an upload fails, it does what you'd expect from a good operator. It checks the headers and redders. Once the media is accepted, Codex starts the avatar clone task. Now Medux prepares a clean avatar source for the lip sync render. After that, Codex launches the audio-driven talking head job. The key idea is simple. Video gives the face, audio gives the timing, and Medux syncs the mouth. Codex keeps pulling the job, so the workflow stays hands-free until the result is ready. Here, the first render needs a tweak, so Codex inspects the media and adjusts the settings. It pins the model, aspect ratio, clarity, and duration to make the render predictable. Then it sends the second request and waits for Medux to process the final video. When the job finishes, Codex downloads the result back into the workspace. That gives you a local lip-synced avatar video, ready to review or publish. So that's the MCP flow. Codex manages the steps, and Medux handles the digital human lip sync.
Artificial intelligence is developing rapidly and is becoming an important force in many areas of society.